In today's video, we are going to look on how to create a post on Bluesky. First, open up your Bluesky account. Tap here to create a post. Select this option to choose a picture or a video file to post. Tap on Allow. Select as many pictures you want to post. Then tap here on Add. You can write the caption as per your desire and tap on Post. Once it completes the processing, your content will be posted successfully on Bluesky. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.